um, see what is this derivative is, let this f of x be a function of x, f of x be a function of x, and let it be y. Okay, as we used to do in relations and functions. So f of x is a function of x and let it be equal to y. Means we are taking, instead of writing f of x, we will write y. Let it be, let's say f of x equals to y. Okay, now when you observe, then it's clear that the value of y depends upon the value of x. Okay, and it changes with a change in the value of x. As we suppose f of x equals to x plus 1, it means the value of y is here x plus 1. So if I put x equals to 1, then y will be 2. If I put x equals to 2, then the value of y 3. If I put 3, then y equals to 4. So the value of y is changing whenever I put any new value of x. It means the value of y depends on the value of x. So here the x is called independent and the y is called dependent variable. X is called independent variable and y is called dependent variable because the value y depends on the value of x. Now let delta x, or sometime we also write small h, as we have taken small h, be a small change in x. Okay, so x and small change in x, delta x. So we'll get a small change in y, delta y. Okay, so how will you find this change? So this change will find as f x plus delta x minus fx. So this is the small change in y we can find, right? This is same as f x plus h minus fx, right? So this is change. Okay, we observe that due to the change in delta x in x, there is a change in delta y in y. So due to 1 unit change in x, there is change in y. Okay, so this is known as the average rate of change of y with respect to x. Means simple, y is changing as the value of x changes. Okay, this change we measure by derivative. Derivative here, this derivative act as a measure, rate measure. Okay,